In this video, we will show you how to set up a user ID for a third party, not the business owner. For example, a lawyer, accountant, representative, employee, or whoever needs access to a client's account. Of course, all this information is confidential as you go through this process. First, go to the CDTFA.ca.gov website, and on the top right, click on Login. If you've never had an account with the CDTFA, you can click Register, and it will take you to the same place. On the next page, under the heading View or Manage Your Accounts, select View Accounts. This will take you to CDTFA Online Services, where under Create a Username, you will select Sign Up Now. Keep in mind, if you had a previous username and password prior to May 7, 2018, you will need to create new ones. The Welcome page will ask you if you are the owner of the business or a third-party delegate. In this case, click the third-party delegate. The third-party instruction page will ask you to create a username and password. Your information will ask you how you want to be identified: driver license number, individual taxpayer identification number, or social security number. Remember, this is your account as a third party and not the business account, so it must be your information. You will then be asked to enter your address. Once you've done that, click to verify, then save. Then click Next. On the Login Information page, you will establish your username and password, and you'll be asked to confirm both. You will also set up a security question and answer and be asked to confirm those as well before clicking Next. You will then be asked for your contact information, an email address and phone number. Then click Next for the authentication information. This is where you choose how you want to be notified, and you will be given a confirmation number. When you click I'm done, you will then be taken back to the CDTFA Online Services homepage, where you can now log into your account and request access to your client's account. When the authentication page appears, enter the code that was sent to you when you signed up and identify the computer you are using so you won't have to enter the code every time you visit. Now you'll be directed to the CDTFA Online Services page, where you can request access to an account. Click it, and the Request Access to an Account page will welcome you and ask if you're the business owner or a third-party delegate. When you click Next, the security code page will appear and ask you if you have one. In this case, select No. You'll get the Request a Security Code page. Provide the required information and a security code will be sent to the business's mailing address and will arrive in 7 to 10 business days. 2 things to remember: you will need a security code for each account you want access to, and a security code will expire after 30 days. The Choose Access Level page will ask what kind of access you want: all, file and pay, file returns, make payments, or view. Select the one that will serve you best and click Next. The summary will then give you an opportunity to review your requests. Do so and then click Submit. You will then see confirmation of your selections. Click I'm done, and then it's only a matter of getting the security code from your client. In the meantime, we want to remind you that while you wait, you will be able to file and pay for a client using their limited access code, formerly known as Express Login Code. Once you have the security code, you can enter your username and password on the login page. On the next page, click I want to request access to an account. The Welcome page will then ask you if you are the owner or a third party, in this case, third party. And then you'll be asked if you have a security code. Click Yes. Enter that along with the other required information and click Submit. You'll see a confirmation page with a confirmation number. And now you have access to your client's account, as you see at the bottom of the screen. If you still have questions, please call our Customer Service Center at 1-800-400-7115.